This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. One-level home in the Bull Run neighborhood with common areas and a pool. Large living room with a slider to a nice patio. Master bedroom with a full bath. Laundry room, kitchen flows into a nice dining room with built-ins. Double car detached garage access through private courtyard entrance. Needs new kitchen appliances, carpet and paint. Sold as is. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.